We have Billy Ross here with JenCares at the Taste of Health Wellness Expo. We're so happy to have you, Miss Billy Ross.
Thank you very much for having us here.
Tell us a little bit about JenCares.
JenCares is primary health care for seniors of 55 and up that have Medicare. We have at our one location, we have 5 locations actually all total, and at each one of those locations you can see the primary care doctor, you can see specialists, you're able to get prescriptions, you get all of your diagnostics, and if you qualify you're able to get transportation.
Wow, that's good stuff.
Yes.
So they get all of that included?
Yes, that is all a part of being a JenCares. We have 2 primary insurances that we accept that are HMOs. WellCare and Humana are the 2 HMOs that we accept. And as a part of that, you're able to get those things. You're able to see the doctor who coordinates your care with any specialists that you need to see. As I said, the diagnostics. So that's all the things that you normally get done. X-rays, EKG, your blood work, all of those things that you normally do when you go to the doctor for a physical. Wow. And you are able to get your prescriptions on site. And by being able to get all those things on site, you know that your primary care doctor is taking care of everything. The right hand and the left hand know exactly what's going on with your body.
Wow, wow, that's amazing. You can't find everything in one spot often. How did you hear about Randolph's event today?
Well, we have been working with Rutina Anderson. She has been a great resource for us to work with in dealing with diabetes. Actually, she's come out and done a few presentations doing smoothies with us.
Good.
And we absolutely love the work that she's been doing. And so when we heard about this through her, we knew that we had to come out and support her because this was a great effort on her part, and we know that our residents and our patients would be able to benefit greatly from the information we give them.
Good deal. Most importantly, Ms. Ross, how can the people, the community reach you?
We are located in 5 locations around the city. We're in Morrow, Georgia. We are South DeKalb on Candler Road. We're in the West End area on Ralph David Abernathy. We are on Gifford Highway, Druid Hills, and we're in South DeKalb on Candler Road. I think those are the 5 locations. And you can stop by one of those locations, but if you need more information, I am Billy Ross, and you can reach me at 404-281-8070. I can give you more information and connect you with some of the other marketing people that I work along with. And you will be able to come by, tour a center, because one of the things we feel that is really important is if people are interested in changing their doctors and going to new health practice, they might like to just see where they're coming to. And we have beautiful locations, great locations within communities, and it would be an excellent way for somebody to learn about us so they can come by for a tour. We offer tours. See what the inside of the doctor's office looks like when you don't have to be there, and you can learn a little bit more about the excellent health care that we give. So if you give me a call, I'd make sure I connect you with the right people to be able to get you in for a tour.
Good deal. Thank you so much for coming.
Oh, you are very welcome. Thanks for having us here.
Maria, an excellent Zumba instructor. Maria, thank you for coming to the Randolph event today, the Taste of Health Wellness Expo. What brings you here today?
Well, what brings me here, first of all, I know that one of the people that is doing the expo, Rutina, and I've met her through the Latin American Association. She came with somebody else, and I'm the exercise instructor for the people of the third age, is what they call them.
The third age?
Yes, it's the seniors, okay, anybody over 60. So I've been doing that for about 7 years now. And I also I'm an esthetician by trade, and this is just an extension of that, because I feel that the body is something we have to take care of, inside and out. And it's not about being pretty or, this or that. It's just about taking care of your body, of yourself, your inside, your outside.
Absolutely.
And working out for me, I've done it for many years, since my 30s. I've always loved doing it, but what I liked about Zumba is that it's a way of moving your body and feeling like you're having fun. And after an hour, yes, you sweat and you feel good. And then you've worked out. Your body is moving. You feel better. Your energy levels go up. It's an aerobic exercise, but also I do it for the seniors. So you have to be a little slower, a little less stressful, but it's a wonderful way to keep fit.
I bet it is. It sounds great. So, tell us, you said you usually instruct people the third age, she said, people over 60. How can the people reach you?
Zumba Go. Well, they can look into they can look at Zumba.com.
Zumba.com.
And they can go in there and see classes, or they can go see instructors. You can put in there, and then you look up my name. It's Maria P. Earl at Zumba.com, and they can look it up in there, and my bio is in there.
All right.
And where I'm going to teach is in there, if I'm available.
Karen with KK's Living Lockets. What brings you here today?
I am an independent designer for Origami Owl Living Lockets, which is a custom jewelry line. We are a force for good in the community. We do several things giving back to the community that we live in. One of them is that bullying is a really big thing in the schools today. So we have a charm that retails for $5, which is a bully charm. 100% of those proceeds,
100%.
every $5 for every one of those charms goes to fight bullying. During the month of October, we had a special locket that was put together by our marketing team based in Chandler, Arizona. It retailed for $75. And because October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, all of those proceeds were donated to breast cancer research.
Wow.
Now what I'm working on is trying to get them to come up with something for the month of November and sponsoring diabetes prevention and awareness.
Perfect.
Because it touches my heart.
Yes.
I've lost too many in my family to diabetes, as we all have, or we wouldn't be here today.
Absolutely.
I have a website. You can reach me online. It's karens.origamiowl.com. My phone number, my email address, and everything is online. I will come into your home and have a party. I will meet you at a restaurant for a happy hour event with 4 or 5 girlfriends. We can do a Facebook party, whatever you want to do.
Whatever you want to do.
And I'll be happy to donate part of my profits to your cause.
That's so good. That's good stuff. Awesome. Thank you for coming.
You are very welcome. Thank you for having me.